welcome back to another video video. And today, so as you saw in the last video, we did a Fidget versus trampoline. That was sick. Go check that out. Links are coming down below. But today we're doing tricks and hacks you could do with your fidget spinner. Let's get started into the video. So the first gadget we're gonna do is that you need a pen. And you will need scissors. So if you will need something to get the caps off, like you know what.
Oh yes.
You don't have to use scissors, but I'm using scissors. It's like a really easy way. We go to use like something else, like cardboard. If you're old, you could do that nice.
If you're big, yeah, but not.
Well, I'll come back when I'm done taking the cap off. Okay, now that the caps are off, you need to get your pen and get your fidget. Put the cap away so it might be low. So you see the hole right there? You need to put this here. Put it down. Like right there. Spin it and then leave it.
Oh.
Here's a cool trick about this. If you tap it, it'll make it turn around. Oh.
That's really good.
It's crazy when you touch your watch. Where you going?
Oh,
Come back.
It's a when I
Then touch it and it goes wherever you want. You can touch
wobbly. You should try
it.
this.
Just
This is
touch
awesome.
it here. Okay.
Oh,
So there's a good thing you could do with your fidget spinner. And then you could put your you could put the caps back in, and you can just keep playing with it. You could it's really easy. Just take them off again, put it back in, and you can. It's really easy. So it's a really cool trick. I have to show you this trick that I know. So ready? Just a handy. Ready? Okay.
oh.
And okay. You have to throw it a little bit, like throw it a little bit, throw it a little bit, throw it a little bit, throw it a little bit. Okay, so that's how you do this cool trick.
This is my trick. So you grab it like that, and then you go like this, and then you throw it up and catch it. Oh wait,
You can try it again.
So it's randomly happens. Oh wait. Come on, I could do it. Oh, never mind. It's only the day I could do it for some reason. I'm not like this. I can only do it in a day.
Okay. So guys, here's another trick. So I got here this light. So you have to point it right there. And you spin it and it'll look cool. So let's go check it out in the dark. Let's go. Okay guys, let's just see it now. Let's see some finish the video with us.
Sorry.
Okay guys. There it is. Cause see, it's gonna look weird. See it? It just looks really cool.
That's sick.
It looks cool.
Do you put lights
Okay,
on that?
okay, so
Were
let's
you supposed to put
okay,
lights on
so guys, Leslie, join us now.
that? Were you supposed to put lights on that?
We like keep it. So guys, Leslie, join us now. So look, as you can see, I put like 2 lights right here, but leave this one alone. Leave the last one right here alone, so you could have like a spot so you could spin it. Watch, look, it looks like lit. Watch, see? But let's go in the dark to test it out. Okay, let's go in the dark again. Oh, look at spin it. Look at that. Look at that. It looks sick, guys. So try that one. That's like. Look at it.
Oh. Okay. I'm trying to do it big.
Well, guys, that's gonna be it for this video.
Leave a like, subscribe,
Leave a comment what you want us to do next, and
stay